खुश होता है
Sir.
दादी जी आए बोलता
Sir,
है
I'm so sorry, sir. Sir, आ जाइए. Sir, so sorry. We'll change your seats. It's okay. You can have a seat over here, sir. Can you know whose water bottle was this?
That is okay. But next time be
Sir,
careful.
we're so sorry. Actually, इनकी water bottle थी ये. इन्होंने गलती से ऊपर रख दी थी, sir.
Is it your water bottle?
It was
Is it
not,
yours?
yes, sir. It was not intentionally. We were in a rush and we just kept our bottle in the bin.
Ma'am, actually the water bottle, you haven't put it, basically you are not supposed to keep it over there. You have to keep it in your seat pocket,
We are
ma'am.
so sorry,
Due to which it was dripping, from there.
Only sorry, nothing else.
Sir, I apologize on behalf of her. We are so sorry, sir. You're fine. You need some more tissues, sir.
रिएक्ट कर रहे हो ठीक है ना बस
Sir, that's all right.
पानी तो है
Not issue. It's
तेरे
okay,
शरीर
sir.
में गिरता तो क्या करता तू
तो मैं पूछ लेता
Sir, okay, sir, please calm down. I'll change your seat if you want. If you feel आपकी सीट गीली हो चुकी है तो मैं आपको सीट चेंज करवा देती हूँ, sir. Just
let me think
Are you sure about it?
let me think
I'll change your seat if you
Next
want, sir.
time
If
this
you're
is
well.
Sir, we are so
परेशान कर रहे
sorry,
हो वो
sir.
next time no
Sir, I'm really sorry, sir.
okay you feeling sorry
Yes, sir.
really sorry
Yes, sir.
then no problem
Are you fine with it, sir?
yes yes
Okay.
yes, no problem
All right,
no
sir.
problem
Okay, if you need something, please press the call bell, sir. I'll be there for you. You need some more tissues or
Because
something?
you see my age
I agree with it, sir. And we are so
that's
sorry
why,
about
no,
it, sir.
I